Thermal fan for fireplaces. When placed on the top surface of a freestanding fireplace, the thermal fan circulates warm air throughout the room. The fan needs no external power, cords or batteries, and creates its own electricity using the heat of the fireplace. Improved air circulation results in greater comfort and less fuel consumption. The fan automatically adjusts speed with the temperature of the fireplace. It runs faster to move more air into the room as the fire heats up, and automatically slows down and stops as the fire burns down and cools. We recommend that these appliances be installed by a registered LP gas installer, as it requires a fixed gas line. It is not suitable for bedroom or bathroom installations.